Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sonos ARC Dolby Atmos Soundbar. I purchased this at Best Buy and it was open box. I got it for $660. It usually sells for about $900, so I think I got a pretty good deal on it. Nothing's wrong with it, no dents, no scratches. It was just a return, but I have to factory reset it, and I'll show you how to do that. Just turn it around like this, and what you want to do is you want to hold this button down here. At the same time, you want to plug that in. Make sure you have that pushed in right here before you plug it in. And all we're going to do, you have to wait till the green light blinks and then it's factory reset. Well, I hope this helped. Thanks for viewing.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.